I found this knife in my tackle box. I don't recall where it came from. I don't know if this was one of my dad's old knives or one that my uncle gave to me. But I figured I'd pull it out and get it sharpened up and put it to use. That's just some 600 grit wet dry paper and just a leather strap with nothing on it. Seems to work really good for putting a razor sharp edge on a blade. Sometimes I'll go up to 1,000 grit, but lately I've just been doing like 600 or 800 and stopping there, because I found that if I do the 600 and I strop it real good, it seems to hold an edge very well. This knife is made in the USA. The stamp on the blade says Colonial, PROV, USA, and if I recall correctly, it had a little serial number stamped on it somewhere as well. But that's pretty much it. She shaves. I don't know if you can see that. But this is all I do. I sharpen it up real good, strop it, then I clean the blade. Well, usually I clean the blade with alcohol first to get any grease off before I sharpen it. And then I just take some deer tallow when I'm finished and rub it into the blade really well with my fingers. And that deer tallow seems to keep these high carbon blades from rusting. Just one application seems to do it. Now, if I was out in the woods and I was cutting a lot of mushrooms or doing a lot of whittling or wood carving, it would probably take that tallow off eventually, but the natural version, it seems to get into the pores of the metal and really hangs on. But I figured I'd just show you guys this knife and show you how I sharpen them. This is a flat grind, so I'm just using the wet dry paper on a hard book, just so I have a nice flat surface, and essentially giving it a secondary bevel. But that's it. She's all ready to go in my bug out bag that's going into my $15 bug out vehicle. I want to lube this up really good because this knife may be sitting for a while without being used, and I want to make sure it doesn't rust up again. But it has just one main blade, which is, well, looks like it's about 3 inches long. It has a fork, stainless steel. The main blade is high carbon, but the fork and the spoon are stainless steel. And it has a stainless steel can opener. So, pretty basic, nice and small, and good knife for a bug out bag. Anyway, thanks for watching, and thanks for all the views and comments. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching the ads. Talk to you guys later.